welcome back to Cooking with Chef Puff. We bring you the good stuff. Alright, today what we're going to be doing, pepper steak. Very simple recipe. If you like Chinese food, very delicious. Basically, I got me, I'll be using 2 pounds top round London broil. Cut very thin. Not too thin, but thin. Alright, I'm going to be using 2 large onions. And I'm going to be using probably about maybe 3 to 4 green bell peppers, okay? And some ground ginger, and some cornstarch, sugar, and soy sauce. So let me get my area all cleaned up, and I'll be right back. All right, as you can see, what I did, I removed, it wasn't much fat on it, just a very little bit, like right here, a little fat right there. I mean, it doesn't matter for that little bit of fat, but in pepper steak, when you cook it, it's no fat. Alright, so now I trimmed it up now. Now, what I'm going to do now, I'll explain to you, I'm going to cut it thin. And when I mean thin, on a bias, give or take something like that. Something like that. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to finish this all up, and y'all guys stay with me because there's going to be some goodies. Okay, now I did cut them thin now, like I've shown you before, but now they're too long. So basically, I'm going to be cutting them into 3s, basically the strips. 3s or 2s, doesn't make a difference, because you don't want them too long. I mean, you can, but I'm trying to do it the regular way of pepper steak. So I'm cutting them into 3s. I'll show you again. Well, this one like it's a 2. There you go, 2 pieces. That'll keep 1. This one is 3. And that's all. All right, so y'all guys stay tuned. All right, I got them all sliced up in nice thin slices in a half, like 3 to 2 times, and it came out really beautiful. But this is how much it gives you. This is about a little over 3 pounds. All right. So let me get the mixture ready to marinate this steak in, and y'all guys, I'll be right back. All right, the first thing for the marinade for the pepper steak is that we're gonna need 1 cup of soy sauce. Ooh, look at that! 1 cup of soy sauce. This is a very simple recipe here. And now we're going to need 1/4 cup of cornstarch. 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Here's my 1/4 cup. Here's my 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Be very careful with this stuff. It's very light. This is where the magic happens with this stuff here. 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Try not to make a mess with that. Okay, and now we're going to need 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. All the descriptions will be in the notes. Alright. And now we're going to need 1/4 cup of vegetable oil plus 2 tablespoons. Alright, so what we got here. Should have opened it up already. Alright, now we need 2 tablespoons, 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons. Just very careful. That's 1 tablespoon. That's 2 tablespoons. Now I need 1/4 cup. Where's my 1/4 cup? 1/4 1/4 cup. There we go, guys. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Alright. Close this up, get this out of the way. Alright. And that is what we got here. Now just get in here and start mixing away. Gotta get that cornstarch mixed up. One ingredient I did forget. I did forget the 1/4 cup of sugar. Definitely need that. Alright, so my 1/4 cup. I need another measuring thing here. There we go. 1/4 cup. There we go. Just gotta make sure you get all the sugar dissolved in here. Just whisk it in. Gives that little sweetness to it. And that's what I'm talking about. Alright, so I'm going to mix this up and then we'll move on to the next step. So y'all guys stay tuned. Okay, what I got here, I got the beef here. Okay, now I'm going to add the marinade to the beef and just mix it with my hand. Put a glove on because it can get messy. Get it all out. Get it all out. Taste and smells delicious, the sauce. Just get in there and just give it a good mix. Get it all coated. Now I'm gonna let this marinate in the kitchen, in the refrigerator for a couple hours. Alright, so you guys stay with me because I'll be back with this goodies. Alright, I done cut the bell peppers in half. Alright, and clean them out with the seeds. But I have a pro tip for you. If you do any gardening, or if you have an arrow garden, you see these seeds here that comes out of here? Don't throw them out. And you put them in a little container and let them dry out. And if you have an arrow garden, it's a home run. You can plant them in your arrow garden, or you can plant them in the ground and grow your own bell peppers. Alright, if you buy multiple colored ones, you can grow multiple colored ones. And they're very simple to do to grow these. Alright, right now I have some growing outside. And but anyway, let's get on with this pepper steak here. So what we're gonna do now, the pepper steak. I want like squares. I want to try to get them like squares. You know, not too big of pieces. I mean something like this. If you can see this here. All right, that's what I'm looking for. Alright, so let me get this all cut up and y'all guys stay tuned. Alright, with the onions now, and how I'm doing this now, very simple. Just cut them in half. Cut it in half again. Cut it in half. Doesn't make a difference which way you cut them in half. Alright, now if you want these pieces small, you can cut it in half and just start peeling back. That's all you want to do with these onions here. Alright. Alright, so let me finish up these onions and I'll be right back. Alright, I have everything all cut up now. Big, small, medium, you know, with the onions. Alright. So, what we do now, I'm going to put everything in one bowl. All right. Now, marinating, that's up to you. Hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, overnight is better. All right. So, I have to figure out if I'm going to eat this tonight. So, I'm going to figure it out. But in the meantime, I was talking about the bell peppers. So when you do grow them and pick them, you can chop them up and you can freeze these, all right? And they'll last a very long time in your freezer. You can always have bell peppers when you need it, all right? So I'm going to stop the video right here for now, all right? And like I said, the steak is marinating, and y'all guys, I'll be right back.